Hello guys, good evening. Alright, so in this video I want to show you how I work with extra large customers measurements and also how I work with expensive fabrics. Now this is Cashmere 300. So now the fabric I have is called Cashmere 300, and then the chest measurement I have is 48 chest, shoulder of 20 and a half, sleeve length is 16, round sleeve is 17 inches, neck is 19, top length is 37. So this I have here is 5 years of fabric. Now I am making 2 tops with 1 trouser with this, right? So I want to guide you through on how to manage fabric so that you don't waste your customer's fabric, because this bath season or even any season you are in at all, you need to know how to manage fabric. So here I have the front unfold in this form, and this is the grease line. This is the grease line where the center of the length of the fabric is. So fold in this one first and then check if the chest measurement will be able to enter here. So here we have chest of 48, which is 12, right, by 4. Then with extra 2 inches, which is very much acceptable. So once you have gotten your chest fold to be properly covered, now the next thing you will do is to make sure that you arrange the whole fabrics to come in this form. So now this is arranged. Now the next I will do now is, you know, when you cut the front here, you will not take the side here to cut the back. So by so doing, you will have to conserve more fabrics on this area than damaging more fabrics from here. So in such cases where you are folding, where you are using lesser fabric to cut and you want to minimize or maximize the fabric use, this is the best option to use in drafting. So do well to stay to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's get down to the main cutting proper.